stream.
Hur delayed?
Va?
Hur delayed?
Typ 30-40 sekunder eller någonting. Så standard John
Wow.
delay för att du... Men annars blir det dålig kvalitet för de måste göra så här videoprocessing.
Okay.
Och förut hade jag på så här extrem låg fördröjning. Och så det här ser ut som dagligt.
Okej.
Vi får ingen output. Ja just det, vi får ingen output till... Därför har vi byta. Vart grejerna är på väg. Okej.
Ja.
Ja, du ser. Vill du... Vilka ska jag vänta på? Ja, jag ska pinga folk också. I... Stream mode. Now we're going to do English, of course, which is weird for us because we don't speak English.
Yeah.
Jag känner mig väldigt mäktig när jag mentionar 200 minuter.
Wow.
Ja, nu får du introa då. Jag ska gå det till. You need to put on your streamer personality. Like what are people even watching?
My streamer personality. I don't have a streamer personality.
I mean, look, yeah, okay, whatever. Be yourself then, but... Oh, dude, I'm like... Who's leaking the Discord? Okay.
Is it gonna be a VOD?
Yes. That's part of the point, is that there's a VOD.
Maybe you should cut out the leaking your Discord part.
Wow. I mean, I like... You know, what am I leaking? I leak, like, the public thing. Wait, so I put that there. I mean, yeah, who are you?
I'm Charlie.
Okay, great.
Are there any viewers?
Yeah. Look, there's a viewer.
Hello, viewer.
You guys see. Okay, so we have chat here. So we'll be able to see people say anything in the chat. Yeah, no. The only thing I leaked was like this view. I guess it's kind of my DMs, but I was in streamer mode. I think already. I did that. I leaked like this. Whatever. We'll go edit the video later.
Yeah.
Nobody's gonna watch this anyway, so it's fine.
So who am I talking to?
This guy.
Person. Sadaf. Sadaf Fasast. Hello, Sadaf Fastas.
Welcome to the stream. So this should be visible. Yeah, exactly. So I'm gonna be taking notes. Um, and we're going to see how it serenums.
Yeah. So should I start serenuming? Or do we wait for the
I
tea?
mean, well, I'll go make the tea. Maybe you could like just explain to the people what is Serenum. What do you think Serenum is? Have you used Serenum before?
Mm-hmm.
What are your first impressions? I'm basic. The way this is going to work, I think, is that we're going to pretend to the extent that that's possible that you've never used this thing
Okay.
before. And you didn't even know that I worked on it.
Okay. Sure. I'm playtesting Serenum, which I have tried an older version, but I'm going to pretend that I haven't. So I know it's an operating system made from scratch with the Brevis language thing. Yeah. I guess.
Almost done.
Huh?
Almost done. I'm adding some hot water
Okay, please.
because it was cold. It was like getting
Oh.
slightly
Alright.
well peak heat.
Okay. So I'll wait a few more moments before serenuming.
You could. What do you think you're gonna do? But
I mean, I'm pretending that I haven't tried it before, so I don't know. Okay, one. Whoa, okay, this is new actually. So, Serenum tutorial. Anytime by pressing F1. Pretty based. Okay, so I'm not supposed to click this link, but it looks very clickable. I click the link. Okay. Document viewer. Yeah. Makes sense. That's a very nice frame rate. There's a few more frame rates than when I last tried. Slow down, okay.
so okay, so far what is going through your mind? What is your impression?
Um,
And also, can the people watching the stream can they hear both of us
Good
at a
question.
good volume?
Mr. Sadafada Sasas and Wizard, can you
Yeah.
hear us?
I presume they can. It says there's not really much we can do, so I actually probably will just ignore if you can hear us or not. It's not going to get better than this. Although you
Okay.
could try projecting.
Yeah. Okay, yes. So I guess if I start mumbling, just like say something in the chat and I will remember to speak up.
Yeah.
Maybe Sam can remind me.
Yeah.
I can hear us. Based. Okay. You can hear me too. Okay. It's very distracting with the chat. Okay, so Serenum tutorial, document view controls, pretty simple. So window manager, we have workspaces, virtual desktops, gizmos. Yep. Illustrative image. Is that clickable? it's a placeholder. I
Yeah.
see. Okay, okay. Uh, F1 to get back. Ooh, another tutorial. uh, right. Maybe it shouldn't open if I'm already in the tutorial. But yeah. Alt tab. So the red is the current one. Hello. Okay, I know you're like. Wait. Holding tab. Okay, sure. It's like showing which window I will jump to. Uh-huh. I don't know, it's kind of like too much text. Might be that you need to get used to the font a bit. Currently in focus red. Yeah. Okay, cool. Okay, so it's part of the tutorial. Okay. Sure. Press escape to close the tutorial. Okay. I'm a bit disoriented. Yeah, it definitely like should probably somehow try and maintain the position I'm in here, maybe. Okay, whatever.
Yeah, it's a little bit of a bug. I don't right now. I don't account for the window size changes, the reflow,
Right.
and all the text changes, but we keep the same number, which is like scroll Y.
Okay, okay. Yeah, since the text like
Yeah, and then you
wider.
end up
Yeah,
somewhere else.
yeah.
Yeah.
Fair enough. Okay. Open a different program. Caps lock. Enter. No, it's not. Different program. A terminal. Press caps lock. Press enter. There must be a problem with my keyboard.
Are you sure that is caps lock? Oh yeah, it might.
Ooh, it might be actually.
Well, actually, I have the debug app here. Press what you think is
Oh,
caps lock. 3D. Ooh. Let me look up that
I feel
keyword.
like that would be like a hardware thing.
Yeah, but I can actually look up caps. It is 3D. Okay, press it again. Oh, dude, that's goofy. Press another key and hold it. No, it should be working. So you're
Wait,
pressing
wait, wait. What do you get there? Is that
5C.
enter?
That's a different key.
Is that enter? 5C?
No.
I see. My function key is modifying the enter key, even though it says the alternative is enter.
Well, enter and return on this the same thing.
I would
if you
imagine.
if you press this guy, you get 2C. Oh, I see what you're saying. And
Yeah.
if you hold, how do you do caps lock? 3D, which is in fact, yeah. I mean, rip, bro.
That's strange.
Bad
Yeah,
keyboard.
I guess
The
let's
keyboard
just
hot
do
swap. That's good because that's good that I recently implemented keyboard hot swap, so we can do.
Oh yeah, this definitely wasn't planned. Okay, that's all of lights. Oh,
Yeah, look at this. There were 11 viewers, and now there isn't.
oh man.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, that definitely works. Right, so I was saying caps lock, enter. There we go. Yeah. Caps lock, enter. There's currently no way to close a window in a friendly way, so is. Focus the terminal window and press Alt Shift Caps Lock Q. Yeah, pretty crazy keybind. Having a move, we want to change. So, which one is focus is knowing? Promoting. Caps Lock J. K will move it clockwise. Okay. Up and down. Coach. So I guess I should open the terminal. Oh, yeah. Different keyboard. What was caps enter? Control J. Yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm. That's all we cover for now. Did you mention how to swap the workspaces?
Maybe I did. Did you read?
I might have missed it, but I will keep going anyways. General window. Okay, I guess I could find out there. I will keep going with the tutorial.
I mean, maybe you should backtrack.
Maybe I should backtrack. I'll tab.
Maybe you should backtrack further.
maybe I should. So workspaces. Hey, you mentioned the workspace.
Oh, dude, that yeah, I might actually. Wait,
Yeah,
did
I
I?
think I don't see a mention of.
Oh, I think it's supposed to be in the illustrative image.
Aha.
Um,
Okay, I will pretend it was there.
do you know the controls?
Is it like? No, I don't know. I don't remember.
It is camps plus a number.
Fair enough. Now the terminal directory. Uh-huh. All right. Built-in commands. Parameters are typed. Right. Is a thing that has like cats? Right. Yeah.
In what section are you right now?
I'm learning about the terminal. Yes.
Would you call yourself a terminal bro normally?
No. So no, not really. No.
Okay, so you are not used to using tab complete in a terminal.
No.
Such a thing exists. You should try.
Right. Yeah, I know, but I forget about it. So.
I know, but let's imagine that I had mentioned about here that there is character creation.
True, true. True, yeah. Unicode. Text. Uh-huh. Right, okay. Bob is your uncle's paste. Try to modify some. Right. If I pass a file that doesn't exist, or read only. So if I want, so write access, I do this. Right. So wrapping up, you can toggle full screen. Oh, this is new, I think.
It's very old.
It's very old. Okay, I just didn't know about it. Wait, is that exclusive full screen?
No.
No.
In fact, you can try if you try and make it the window full screen and then do the capt JK thing. So
Whoa. Okay. Wait, what if I... okay. So I can have multiple full screen voice.
yeah.
Okay. I have graduated. Very cool. Okay, part 2. Time to do some programming. Must find a unique name. The funny looking O. Okay. That's a funny looking O. Makes sense. Am I supposed to type this? Wait. I guess I need to examples. So I don't know what SO is. LS, I guess. Cool. Right, let's run hello world. I don't know. Oh, hello. Oh, Oh, I need to go into codecs. Oh. Wait. I am confused.
You verbalize your confusion.
The example looks like it's. Oh no, it's you're not telling me to run hello world. You're just showing the files. I see. Yeah. Hmm. Okay. So I'll make a copy of the thing. My program.
Oh, wait. Before you do that, my program exists already, so like don't run this command. If you do, you'll create two files with the same name.
Whoa.
Uh,
Is that can you just do that in Serenum?
yes.
Okay, how do I why can I do that? Like well, what if I have two files and I wanna delete one, how do I?
You just do that.
But they're the same name.
Yeah.
So which one will it delete?
But like the name is just a name, bro.
Yeah, but how do I specify?
No, currently you don't. Well, currently you make a new file, you do file copy. All the tools will hit the first file. So you'd have to create a new file, different name, copy the file onto the thing, delete the file. Now you can see the old file. You could like copy it
But
back.
why can I have multiple files with the same name?
Because, and this is not done yet, but because two programs must be able to go, oh, I'm going to create a file with this name in this directory, and they need to like not interfere with each other.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So it's like it's not intended that you would have two files with the same name, two directories with the same name. It shouldn't be a common occurrence because like from a human perspective, it's stupid.
Yeah.
But the kernel API completely supports it because
Yeah.
again we don't use like the kernel has no conception of like a string file
Right.
path.
Right.
You go, hey, what's in this directory? And you get like a bag of file handles.
Mm-hmm. Fair enough.
So just skip that one command.
Yeah. So then I'm doing FCP, I get as file copy.
So remember when I said, what if we'd suggested to you that there was tab completion?
Right. Then so we need to give write access. Is M write access?
Yeah, it means mutable.
Mutable. Okay, that makes sense. Wait, but why does the file now? Oh, this is the destination file. Okay, that makes sense. Do the copy. Wait, didn't I? Oh, oh no, yeah, because the file exists. So yeah, right. Okay. Prune the program. LC. And that's the program. Do you have since you do the translation thing, do you have cat? No. Okay. Command run program and the command change to commands. So CLB codecs. So I'm compiling the directory and then I choose the file in the directory. LBC. Well, what does LBC stand for?
Let me look that up. If we're gonna be autistic about it, hold up. It means.
Oh, it's Latin.
Yeah.
Shouldn't it be like BR or something?
It will be LB later.
LY. The language is called Brevis.
Lingua brevis.
Ah, I see. Okay.
Lingua brevis communibus. This is the plural. This is with Unicode character, using Unicode characters. So a .lb file would be in clear text.
Yeah, I think it would be a rant if we started talking about the Latin grammar. No.
What do you mean?
No, because I want to ask you questions about it, but I don't.
Wait, no, let's do that.
Okay. How does it mean Unicode?
Oh, because well, we can mainline. Do they see this? They almost see this. Hold on. Like that. Because so this word communis means, as you can see, common, commonplace, ordinary, general, universal, shared alike, both sides belonging to or more together of or for the community. So it's public, democratic, representing the common sentiment, familiar manners, etc. And so we call
That's like the uni part of the word.
No, that's not it. But you can think of it as like communal.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you think about it, like if we have a character, it's called a note, a nota.
Mm-hmm.
And so if I wanted to talk about Unicode characters, I talk about nota communes, as in the communal notes, right? Like the shared like character encoding, the communal characters,
Sure.
that everybody understands.
Okay.
But it's kind of fitting because it's like communal and designed by committee. It's like garbage, right? Yeah. But everybody speaks it, so UTF-8 will be here forever, but it will suck.
So if it was a clear text, it would just be LB.
Yes, but that's not implemented in any way yet. Well,
you mean your compiler can't compile?
No, except every .lbc file gets first immediately transcoded into clear text. It gets converted. Okay. It gets converted to clear text, then tokenized, then everything rest of chain.
But it doesn't compile clear text files.
No, because like there is no editor that edits clear text files.
Right.
But the editor as well, which we will use later, also loads the file, converts it to clear text, edits clear text, then on saving, converts back to Unicode, writes the file.
Interesting. Okay. Right, so I'm compiling CLB. So that's the same thing but reversed.
What do you mean?
Like the extension LBC CLB does stand for the same thing. Is it compiler?
Yeah.
Lingua brevis? Okay.
Yeah. So lingua brevis is like in the genitive. Like
Okay.
compilator linguae brevis.
Okay. Linguae. Okay. Right. And so for the output file, we do the mutable thing. Then we run it. Compiling. It's a little bit faster than last time. And hello world. Cool. Right. So it's like standard command line stuff. We want to print goodbye world. The legacy text editor. Skrr. All right, remember the M. Otherwise, it would crash. I'm trying to say. Okay.
I'm thinking that's more acceptable now because it says legacy. So like, oh, it's legacy.
Yeah. Probably like a warning. Like, I think Nano does this on Linux. When the file isn't writable, it just shows like a warning that you can't save the changes.
I mean, yeah, that should be how it works. But right now, it just asserts.
So we stir the file. Alright. Oh, I can't jump the words. Goodbye. Oh,
A legacy, bro.
your selection pranked me.
The key repeat is pretty fast. Like you're doing this. If you try hold the keys down, like the arrow keys and stuff. That might be the slight difference in the style. Why I don't feel the need to have like jump word. Because the key repeat is faster.
Sure, well, yeah, whatever. Control S, Control Q. So I guess I just run this again and should print goodbye world. Yeah, legacy exclusive, full screen. To see that you have to focus the new. All right, yeah, I already did this. Oh, yeah, I did all this. You will go to part 3. Those who are familiar with it, you still have a lot to learn. Those who are familiar with the cyclic. Anyway, there are 2 readers of the document who are now take diverging paths. Those who are learning to program. Okay, I see. So I'm the one that goes to part 3. No. So where do I go? Example programs. Okay, fair enough. Rip. Yeah. Should I just pretend there's a documentation here now?
Well, now we get to the fun part. The point of the stream. We've
Okay,
now reached
okay.
the summit.
Okay, I make an
Which
example.
which is what you wanted to say.
The language documentation?
Alright.
Okay, so I should just like do some programming and
Yeah, in a hypothetical thing, what are you curious about first?
so do I need to pretend that I don't know anything about the language or
Well, I don't know. We could do a mix.
um okay, if I didn't know anything about the language, I would oh, oh that was the okay. I would do the thing I just did again. And I would I guess I would want to try and do something. I would maybe write a loop
Okay.
and print an integer, which is not int because it's n64.
Well, okay. So, should we do what are the things? Okay, you want to know basic data types.
Yeah.
Um, those are N64, N64, N32, N8.
And I guess you don't have the if keyword because you have a Latin,
Yeah.
right? So I would need to know what if
Yeah. If let's say this
is with the I with the macron.
else if Steve.
Sieve. Yeah. Like these Latin things
Yeah.
makes me really want to have the editor in a window because then I can have just have all the Latin words on one side and
Right.
the editor on in another window.
Makes sense. I wonder. It might not be worth creating an example for these. And this is so basic.
Yeah,
There's
yeah,
no
yeah,
point in
yeah,
making
yeah.
an example program.
No. I just want to see like a list of it.
Oh.
Because if I'm not doing part 3, then I
Right.
already know how we do
Yeah.
basic program. I guess I would just like make sure it's a sane language. Oh, oh. Yeah, I keep trying to do like my keyboard layout. And then I would need to, just kidding, I have the print function there. Sieve. Oh. So let's figure out if Sam is sane. I remember this. Comma expected of the parameter always.
I think it's a pretty good error message.
Yeah, it gets the point, of course. Okay. No. Uh-huh. Not parse expression. Sieve is Sieve else if?
Yeah, let me make this bigger for you.
So else is seen. Aha, so like if not.
Yeah.
Okay.
Also, for people on stream, this font here is gonna be the new monospace font that I usually think is on Serenum when we go up in resolution a little bit.
See No. So if not, okay, there we go. X is 5, Sam is sane. If statements works. Now I want to do a loop, which I remember is doom.
Yeah.
Something like.
Okay, so we should do so a basic loop looks like this. Well, we'll wait for that. Basic loop is this.
Yeah, doom is like wild, I guess. And so now I would want to print with formatting.
Yeah. I guess that should go in here somewhere.
Oh, you have Swedish layout?
What?
How do I make the backslash on this keyboard?
Back to the over to the top right.
Oh, but
Standard keyboard.
it's supposed to be right of this key, but there's backspace.
No, this one.
So I see. Oh, yeah, never mind. Okay, so I think it's this.
Yeah, regular.
And oh, I forgot to increment that thing. How do I terminate?
Ah, yeah, that's a. I guess that's more of a terminal thing, which we should mention.
What you mean?
Like, how do you kill a program?
You're right. Yeah.
Because that is bound to happen. Okay.
Do you have? But don't. Isn't it the thing? Alt Shift Caps Q. Or do you have a way
You
to
could use
actually
that,
terminate?
but that would terminate the terminal.
Okay, so you have a way to terminate the. Okay.
Include mention of control X.
Control X. Okay.
This is valuable rate. Okay, yeah. So the regular takes a format string and a variable amount of arguments.
Yeah.
I might actually let me just OBS.
Since I already know there's a defer keyword, I would have used defer keyword here, but yeah. And there we go. Makes sense.
Yeah.
Now I would need like something to do. Since I'm like a graphics programmer, the first thing I can think of is I want to draw something.
Okay. Do you want to re-implement on?
Yeah.
Or like a game? You could do a different game actually.
Breakout.
Breakout. Yeah. Breakout. So I guess you want to know graphics.
Yeah.
Okay. This is API called the Noob Graphics API. It's actually version 1 because I'll be making a new one of these later. Okay.
Does the new graphics API run in Window Manager?
No.
Oh.
But it's gonna be coming.
Yeah.
So Let me just remind myself. There's like a comment in here that says how you. This is so funny. It's like so weird seeing this font like big because it looks good,
Hmm.
but it's like 2x. Let's see. Where is this? Alright, here we go. So, um, um, so we want 800 by 600, and um, here's the screen to. What color do you want? Pink. It's a funny color. Pink.
Sure.
Okay, so you do new graphic setup. You pass 1.
Is there a delete line? Find.
Where you would just control down and then delete with selection. Right, you select the text and you delete it. That's how I do it. Do we have an RGB value for pink? Pink RGB X. Dude, what even is pink? It's like red, but kind of not hot pink. Or pale violet red.
It's probably like uh, maybe. No.
Um, OXBB cube rectangle.
Yeah.
Green 0, 0.
I'm guessing the one in new graphics setup is something that should be an enum in a language that has enums. So it's like I'm selecting something, a setting.
Yeah. One means
Do a new frame. New R frame.
there you go.
So I clear the string with the rectangle.
Yeah.
New rectangle.
Oh, for some reason the capture card gave up. Hold on. You can keep working. Don't be bothered by this.
Oh,
Wait. Yeah, you're gonna. Okay, I guess.
I am a little bit bothered.
She bothered by this. Okay, there you go. The technology is not working.
Noob and frame. Right now, I kind of feel like a noob.
Yeah. It's really funny how offensive the calling people noob is. It's kind of crazy.
Yeah.
Like many people, the first thing they're like, their reaction to
Right.
like it's called noob main and there's a noob API. They're like, oh, I don't want to use that. I don't
Yeah,
want
yeah,
noob.
yeah,
And then they try to make like way more difficult for themselves.
I brain. Wait, so I only need the comma. I guess that makes sense because you terminate the argument. And there's ping.
We did it.
Success. So yeah, I guess. How do I terminate the? That's the same as this. Oh. How do I exit? Control X. Oh.
You use your brain for a moment. Oh wait, actually, yeah, dude, it might be game over for you.
Rip.
Okay, as you know, to make the experiment valid, I'm not going to tell you. We're just going to assume. Okay, say you got stuck. We're like, shoot, it's game over for me. So what do? You restart your computer.
Okay.
Okay, but now you're like, wait. Well, okay, no, I'm not going to say anything. In fact, I'm going to go make more tea.
Whoa.
Chat, don't tell him. Don't tell him how it works.
Am I supposed to figure out?
We're playing. This would be a showstopper if you can't figure this out.
Can I find it in documentation? Okay. So I need to figure out how to exit or like force quit when in exclusive full screen. Wait, but why did I have to restart the computer? I'm very confused. Blah blah blah. Different program. Wait, but why did we restart the computer?
Because you got stuck. You didn't know what was going on. You couldn't figure out how to do it, so we restarted.
But there was a way to.
There was a way.
Oh wow. Kill the program.
You can try tea as well.
Huh?
Sure. This is probably cold by now. Oh, and you're finished.
Yeah.
Great.
I think I tried the Alt Shift Caps Q. I guess I'll try again. What was the thing? CP. Hello world. No wait, Sylvie codec. Hello world. Mutable. Actually, what was the thing? I guess the output file went in Producta. Product. Yeah. Co.
Well, you can just run it, right?
I do not need to compile it.
And also, you can press up.
Oh, I remember. Okay. Yeah, makes sense. Doesn't work.
I mean, okay, guys, this is evidence people don't read.
Hmm.
I'm gonna tell you the bind, okay? And then when you get out, you're gonna read. Okay? Control Alt Delete.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Now, but just run the program again. Run the program again. What does it say?
All right. Yeah.
But it is kind of tragic. This information disappears once you've entered.
I think if it was my first time, I would have noticed it. But since I already have the thing in my brain that when I do a exclusive full screen, it opens up this thing here with text I don't need to read because I already know. But
Okay. And you already know because I do it a lot. Or what?
No, because I've tried this before.
Oh, I see. Yeah, okay.
So you might be fine, but you
I
should...
think it's the kind of thing. This is a temporary problem because this kind of program will be like phased out from the noob experience.
Sure.
Like,
But also, doesn't Alt Shift Caps Q, is that only in the window manager?
as a window manager.
Okay. Okay, fair enough.
If you do control, the program got killed now because you had queued input of the control X that killed it outwards. If you do,
Oh. Okay. Makes sense. So here I can control X, no? Yes, I need to do the thing. Yeah. Okay, now I want to draw rectangle on the rectangle for some reason. Oh, well, B, G, or yeah.
yeah. That's just because it is RGBA, 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 but it's little endian. Right, so it becomes realist.
Not what I expected.
Why is it not what you expected?
I think. Oops. Can I? What can I? No, wait. X to X.
Oh yeah. That's
So,
very interesting. Okay.
I don't know, in my mind, I'm thinking x0, y0,
no,
x1,
no,
y1.
Um, um,
Or I guess we're drawing size then. I guess that's just like a personal preference. Yeah. No. Okay, I want to draw text. Is there a noob way to draw text?
it's not well. There kind of is. Okay, I guess we're drawing text now. Those exist. Drawing text. Do you want variable length or monospace?
Monospace.
Why?
Because why not? Simpler.
Um,
I mean, okay, yes, whichever is the easiest to.
well, they're both kind of easy. I just think we should use. I like the variable with one word.
Yeah,
It's
well.
nicer. Okay. The okay. So what you need to do. Um, the import font Aurelia. Yeah, and then you pull.
I guess I'm just making breakups. I wouldn't need text, but now we're doing text anyways.
Yeah, well, yeah. Drawing variable. And use put string line. Not very new, but it's okay. You just need the pixel. Okay, so this is the call. Um, so you would do a string example. Oh yeah, you need to import. So the import looks like this.
What does inveni mean?
It means like go fetch this particle, like go find. This is where the word Swedish word inventaria, I think, means come from.
Does that write directly to? pitching line. Yes, we want 4. So it's frames of pixels like mapped to be like the frame buffer somehow.
I mean, it's not mapped. It just is.
I remember,
Like that's just the pixel buffer.
yeah, but I remember when I played around, there was like I had to map memory to be used for something
When was this?
when I tried the Serenum.
Yeah, well,
Yeah,
do you
well,
remember when it was? Anyway, maybe
yeah,
it doesn't
whatever.
matter.
Um, 800 by 4. What's 800 by 4? Oh, is that the no? Uh-huh. Is the pixel
Yeah.
or pixel? Yes.
Yeah, you don't do much CPU rendering, right? You do like GPU stuff.
Yeah. I mean,
Oh man, or line pixels.
what's the last argument?
It says it here, right?
Oh, yeah. Background. Okay. Cool. Yeah. I guess I should make breakout.
Yeah, maybe you just want to make sure you can display as core number.
Yeah. And I need to format a string. And I would look at the documentation for.
Yeah. For now, we're just gonna. There is a string builder. We're
Mhm.
just gonna let's pretend you just have to do this on your own.
What do I have to convert the number to a string myself?
Yeah.
It's annoying.
Yeah. Well, yes. Wait, we should say it like this. Um,
Or do you mean that there's a library function to convert?
no.
Okay, well.
Clear text strings have characters 0 through 9 mapped. Use 0 through 9.
Hmm. Hmm.
Therefore, you can print the well, for the number 5 like this. As for text.
I so in like the documentation thing, I would probably want to have read about strings by now. I mean, I know already that a string is
Okay, yeah,
slice of
how
like.
we should do that. If you just look at this for a second, memorize what it says. Okay, great.
Yeah.
Well, I can actually just split things.
No, wait, I'm doing. And now I need memory, right?
For
String.
yeah.
Nej. Ah. Campo. Why?
What's up? What is happening?
No.
You got it?
I'm just being trying to remember all the key points.
Right. I'm gonna go get the tea. I expect it was done. That didn't sound too good. What are these noises of frustration? that you're
It's the
making?
commas that get me every time. Right, I allocated members. Okay, so
Yeah.
clear text numbers map to are the same like values as the actual numbers. So
Yeah.
I'm thinking.
I mean, otherwise, people don't know this. I think so. Like, actually, on ASCII, it's just as easy, basically, because all you do Like on ASCII, you would just do this, right? And you could do this on both, right? You do Unicode character literal 0. Oh wait, no, sorry, plus. You do that. Unicode character literal 0 plus the value.
Uh-huh.
But here you don't even need to do that.
Right. Right, I need the digits. I don't remember how you get the digit. Is it like this?
For what, modulus?
No, I want to get the digit. I want to get the digit.
Yeah, you want to do mod. Okay.
By the base, right? Or...
No, we should say this.
Wait, you don't have modules? Oh. No, I'm. Oh. Yeah, that's cool. And then how do I get the count?
Count of. Oh yeah, I should add that to the strings section. A.
All right, going to. Does it have like a mutable count member?
Yes. 2 members. Yeah.
That's organized or so now I need to know how to cast. I'm gonna take, I guess, the C style cast. Mm,
It is seasonal class.
cool. Push bytes out to null reference, I guess.
Huh?
Oh, it's because I need to dereference.
Huh?
I got segmentation fault because I didn't dereference, I think. Now I got a different one. Index. So what? Oops. That's the wrong index. But yeah, I did.
What's the, you had a stack trace?
Yeah, I mean the index was out of range. But I mean before I did this because I didn't forget to reference.
Yeah.
Oh.
You just press escape on this guy.
And I get this guy. Which I assume it should be a compiler.
Wait. Yeah, that should be a compiler. Compiler bug. Crazy. Well, no, actually, well, yeah, that's true. Anyway,
Oh, it's uninitialized?
what is? So score string.m, you can't, like, it's gonna be out of bounds.
Ah, I see. It's still showing me the wrong index in the thing.
Well, score string.m.
I can't. Oh, wait, you don't have copy?
There is copy paste. It just
Or
yeah, there's no cut.
Yeah.
I probably need to add. People like cut. I don't know why people like cut.
It's one less keepers.
Yeah. I guess I have to add cut.
Minus one. Oh, that's not right. Oh. Comma. New main line 34. It's down here. Wait, we didn't print. I want to search. A score is 0. I guess should handle if score is 0.
Waves, yeah.
Let's see. I also want to be able to do the thing where you move the lines with all.
Interesting. Okay.
Huh. Uh-huh. Or did I misspell none?
In the docs we're making. Let's see where here it is.
Oh, it's C none. Crashed.
You're interestingly, you're crashing inside
Yeah.
of the thing. I refer you to this section I wrote about strings.
Strings are a better way to answer the native clear text. So I can have UTF-8 strings. Okay, I see. Okay. Okay. You were. Oh, it doesn't print a string. I have to specify it's a string. I feel like I should just print a string. I think. Score string is 0, 0, 0, 0. Interesting.
That's the reason you don't want it to print the string by default, because you can pass the whole string and then you get pointer plus.
Say again?
If you don't do one of these specifiers,
Mm-hmm.
it'll print pointer and length.
Right. Oh. Yeah, I'm corrupting memory.
Oh yeah, that too actually. Yeah.
I guess.
Maybe you need an index, like instead of modifying the length of the string.
What do you mean? It should be fine.
Yeah, but you start from. I mean, it's not correct.
I'm also not resetting the string.
You don't need to reset the string. Well, okay, if you put it, so the stack allocation doesn't. Maybe I should specify that actually. If you put the stack allocation in a loop, it's fine.
So page fault. This is because you did something bad with the pointer. Oh no. Oh, I guess if I assign to the string, it will. Yeah, that's dumb. I guess I should just stack allocate it, but whatever. Yeah, 73281. Oh, it's reverse, right? I need to.
Almost at breakdown.
Yeah.
I mean, how I do this normally is you create the buffer and then you have an index that you walk backwards. You start at the end and then you insert like this. And then when you finish, you just make note of it, and then you can slice the spatium
That makes
to
sense.
start at that point and go to the end.
Yeah, I guess when I allocate a slice, it will have the count of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then score.
You know how you have just-in-time compilation?
Mm-hmm.
We have just-in-time documentation.
Let's see. Pointer. Can I not do pointer arithmetic?
Pointer arithmetic? What do you mean?
Pointer plus equals.
Yeah.
Do I need to cast to a pointer?
To do what?
Pointer arithmetic?
Wait, why do you want to do pointer arithmetic?
For this reason.
No, that's what I'm saying. We have just-in-time doc.
Huh? You do a slice. Sure. I mean,
You do score string is equal to score string sliced something dot end slice. Slice to end. And
that's
you
like annoying to me. That I can't just like set the pointer.
You can just set the pointer. If you want a plus equals, I mean, yeah, it has to be a pointer to N8, yeah.
Off by one. Probably.
Do you check what line it was?
No.
No.
37.
What?
My brain is collapsing. Line 37. Line 37. How do I start rad debugger?
You have index 32,
37.
bound 32. So you're going off
Right.
the end.
Off by 1.
You can't just say off by 1 and have it be true. Score string dot m is going to be, you don't set that, right? So that's going to be 32.
Mm-hmm.
So you're doing 32 minus I minus 1. You start, here's your bug. I is negative.
Oh. Then why is it 32?
Print I in the beginning of the loop.
Great. Nice. We're closer. Wait, 1, 8, 2, so it's just a 0 for some reason. Um, um,
Remember that uninitialized memory will show up as 0. I think you have an off by 1 now.
this guy? Yeah. I converted the number.
Yeah. You can make it tick upwards now to be framed. That'll look cool.
Yeah. Yeah. I did it. All right. I will say I am kind of having fun, at least.
Kind of.
Yeah, like there are two things that makes it less enjoyable. Is I want a better editor,
Yeah.
and okay, three things. Better editor. I want it to be faster for me to just write code, run. Because now it's like, okay, I have to remember. Okay, I have this workspace, this thing here. I need to enter with this. I need to compile, run, then I need to hop window, then I need to remember the keybind. And so I think, I mean, a lot of it is probably just habit and learning all the keybinds, but
Yeah. I mean, new editor suddenly because well, if on a windowed editor, right? Then if you're just doing switch workspace,
yeah,
press up, enter.
yes. It would be nice if I could have the program just start. I guess that's minor, but
What do you mean just start?
um,
You mean like pressing F5 or something?
no. I do this and it starts.
What do you mean?
What's the reason to have this extra step?
Oh, it's just legacy.
It's just legacy, okay. So
yeah. Like
so you like the
so
ideal.
the reason I put the reason it's new graphics API version 1 is that I need to make a new graphics API version 2, which just in the background is doing like the key event loop and stuff to give you like nice is key down functions, but also handles like processing events, resize events, and stuff.
Uh-huh.
You should be able to make a new program that's like, oh, I just draw into the, I just, like a window appears and there is my stuff
Yeah.
that I'm drawing.
Yeah. I mean, in Window Manager 2.0,
Yeah.
can you just start programs and it will just go full screen without having to create this weird window?
Yeah. It'll be like as if, it'll run. Well, it will run like when it starts, it'll run like that. This is a program,
Right.
right? And if you want a full screen, it'll be like I press up, enter, and then I do actually. There's this guy, right? So these two binds you've been using.
Mm-hmm.
This is this guy N, which goes to the last guy always. So you can have the workflow where you're like, okay, enter, and then new window, and then whatever.
Cool.
So yeah, it is in both cases. It's because the legacy, the editor is legacy, and the new code that you're running to do the graphics is also legacy. So they both require this. I go in and I come out.
Cool. Okay.
What was the third thing?
No, I think it's merged. I merged it with the second thing.
Okay.
Yeah. I feel like I have the previous competence now to
break out.
Yeah, to break out. Let's make a paddle guy. No, because I need to get inputs.
Yeah. Oh, right. Duh.
Actually, I will do a pee break while you do the JIT documentation.
Yeah.
Mr. Russian guy. Is this the
Oh, Andrei
Andrea?
Kraevsky.
Andrei?
Secret user experience issue.
Is this the man? What was it called? Mandelbrot guy.
Yes, this is Mandelbrot guy.
Mandelbrot based.
I mean, yeah, there's no documentation. That's a user experience problem.
Yeah, that's that's what we're solving.
New next key event. Um, yeah, well, yeah.